guys, at the upper lake here. Got a nice cloudy morning with my buddy Joe. You guys know Joe. And we're gonna be on the hunt, looking for those boils. Maybe some trolling, whatever. Just gonna catch some fish, hopefully. So, all right, guys, we'll see you out there on the water. I got the bubble set up here. Nope. Good. I should just right on him, hopefully. Yeah, go ahead. It's all on the side. Oh my god. 3 to 4? 3.5 maybe?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
You got down 3.5.
Yeah. Didn't take long. Nice.
Oh, it's not bad.
Horrible, dude.
Come back to that.
Yeah. No, I got hit twice. Got one. Oh yeah, baby.
Oh yeah. There you go. My case hooked up. You got over double up there. Put my fish in the live well.
That's fun right there.
Yeah, you guys hit like what, 3 times now?
Hit 3 times. And then finally one came up for it. Oh, came off, it came off. It's funny, you hardly ever lose them on this too, you know? Yeah.
Oh, that's a good one, dude.
Nice, dude. Let's go, baby.
Oh, good one.
Do you need a net?
No.
Okay. Yeah, nice one, dude. Good.
Whoa.
Much better quality. Woo! Let's go. Yes, dude.
5?
Yeah, 5. Joe won a nice one. Yeah.
The beat.
All right, so Joe got two quality ones on that deceiver fly. So I just downsized right now. I had the mushy fly on, which I've had a lot of success on before.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna go even smaller now. So I got the deceiver on now. I did actually have one on. Obviously, I lost it before, and I was
The
getting
bait's like this small, so we had to downsize a bit.
Yeah, so we've downsized, so that got the deceiver on now. So we're gonna do some more passes here, see if we can get a bit. All right, cool. Yeah, nice, dude. 3.5. It seems decent.
No, it's small.
Oh, okay. I'll get one eventually. Yeah. All right, guys, we're at it still. We're cruising around looking for bass, but we were able to get some shad. So we're gonna try the shad bite here. Got some big ones though. So we're gonna touch some shad and see if we can catch some on the shad.
Nice time beat.
Yeah. Dude, got some big shad too. Want me to put them in that net for you? Here, let me take a picture of you. You know that picture. Yes, sir. Ooh, God, that's fat. 4 pounder, at least 5.
For now. Oh, keep dropping it.
Yeah. That's the thing. I think I was too high. I had a freaking strapper swimming around the whole time.
You had a strapper on the whole time?
Definitely for a while. Oh, it's actually pretty heavy. He ate him and was just swimming up in the water column. It's a good one, dude. At least I think it is. Oh my god, dude. PB freaking smallmouth.
Oh.
PB smallmouth.
I'm gonna have to.
Oh my
I'm gonna
god.
have to net him with this. Yeah.
You ready? Let's go. Look at guys. Oh, is that a beautiful fish or what?
Dude, the colors are.
God, is that nice. Man, oh man, guys, those are the, oh, so fat too.
It's
He got hooked totally fine too. Just right in the lip. Check it out, guys. All right, guys, that's one quick wait. I'm gonna get him out of here. Could be a PB. My PB's 2.5. Nope, he's just a 1.9er.
very nice.
But it's an absolute fatty.
It's the prettiest one I've seen, I think.
It's an absolute fatty. Look at that smallie. That is absolute beauty. All right. That is absolute beauty.
Oh my god, my
Absolute beauty. Go. Look at that thing. Oh. God, I love those, dude.
Drop straight down. Alright, stop it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
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 There's the, oh, there it is.
This is a pretty nice one. So is a baby?
No, he's decent. Maybe not.
I think. He's dragging me loose. What's the contest?
8. He's just like a
Little guy. Little guy.
aggressive little dude.
That one will do that.
The little dude on the shad.
Yeah. Oh, they're coming way up for yours. Holy crap. Stop. You can stop it right there. Oh my god.
Oh god.
Do you see them going so crazy?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
See who got it first, right?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Little guy in this fight.
Strapper's fighting so hard. It's so hard to almost tell. This one's a little bit bigger. Yeah.
Okay.
I think. I can get it too. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh no, my shot just
Ah.
fell off.
The weight knocked it off, huh? It's okay, I got him. Go ahead, yeah. Thanks, man. Hey, it's a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. There you go. Oh, might have to keep this guy. He's bigger, but he swallowed it.
That one you could toss to the back.
Ooh. All right, Joe's on a nice striper.
Oh jeez.
A real nice one. Ooh, that's a long one, dude.
Yeah.
Really long. Dang.
Be good.
Still alive. Oh. Sounds good.
Little guy.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No way. Oh, a smallie. Yeah, I need to go lower. They're coming up and.
Shad, yeah, you just have a fish on me.
Oh.
What happened? Hammered.
Oh.
Cast there,
Okay.
kind of far out.
Yeah.
And let it sit at the bottom. Double up.
That's heavier.
Heavy?
Heavier, but it might be a smallie. Really? Alright, camera froze up, but got another one. 2-pounder. Alright, well, GoPro's frozen up, but caught this guy. Decent chunky one.
Yeah. And let it go all the way to the bottom.
There he goes. Oh, look at look at all these guys moving in. Look at they're going right down for it.
Yeah. Let it freely swim. See, right there. Let the line take off a bit.
Yep.
Let it load up. There you go.
That's a better one too.
So yeah, well, I like to just like on the free line, when the line's free.
Yep.
Let it run. Don't ever reel it in.
And then I could see, you know what? Now, and then it allows that line to run through that weight a little bit.
Yeah.
You know.
It allows them to really engulf the bait.
Yeah. That's cool. I'm gonna rig that. It's actually easier to rig that anyway. I'm gonna buy some of those. I'm gonna take a picture of that box before I go. That whole sea rig, you know. I felt like the sea rig was good when we were finding them suspended. Remember?
Yeah.
And we had to like fish them up.
Yeah.
And like in the middle of the water column or whatever, you know. I mean, it works, but yeah, after a while, I feel like they get a little. No, I think I can flip this guy.
Yeah. Bam. Oh, not a bad one though. Kind of long.
Thanks, dude. Those things stick, dude. That's what you want right there. There you go. All right, guys. It's a little dude, but take it. Nice, dude. Oh. Oh, ho, ho, ho.
Oh, yeah. He's got some weight.
That's a double.
Double up.
Nah. Oh, dude.
Oh, yeah.
All right, guys. I'm gonna help Joe on his here. He's got a big one. Oh, let's go, baby! Woo!
That's pretty nice, dude.
Joe with the freaking 6-7-pounder? Who knows? It's heavy. Fiver.
Fiver. Okay.
Oh, 5.5. It was.
Okay. 5-pounder.
Oh, nice 5.
That's a nice one.
I gotta get the picture, dude.
Thanks, dude.
Dude, nice one. Well, guys, that was a fun day. Started off a little slow. Couldn't really find too many boils. Saw a little top water. Joe, though, caught some good ones on the troll. I lost one. I got 2 more bites. It just wasn't wide open, right, with the trolling?
Yeah, but it's the day after full moon.
Yep.
Apparently.
The full
didn't
moon.
know that.
So I think that for me, I always kind of have that kind of day after a full moon for some reason. But then we were able to get the magic bait, the shad, and we got some big ones.
Yeah, jumbo shad.
That was cool. So
This long.
yeah, thanks to Joe for that. And then we found some big fish. I caught the most awesome smallmouth that I've caught in a few years, actually. That thing had the cool markings on it and everything. And then you got some good quality striper. So that was a real fun day, though. But thanks to Joe. And still, I'm gonna link his flies in the video description, and go to his site because he's got so many cool ones, and you kind of need those things if you're gonna troll with the fly crew out here.
That's what we caught him on right here.
Yeah, the deceiver.
Deceiver fly.
And I'll put that link. And just to have different sizes, obviously, is the shad fly, the yak fly. There's all different sizes with chartreuse, but those things get bit here, and I highly recommend them. And go check out a site, and they're not even expensive. It's cool. It's like, and you catch tons of striper and everything on them too. So, but thanks again. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
And we'll see you next time.